Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipnewski. Thank you so much for popping by my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to overlay images on top of your videos in LumaFusion. So if you're saying to yourself, wait a minute, this sounds really familiar, I think she already made this video, you would be right. I did make a video like this, it was super long, took 2 separate parts to get it done. And I'm redoing that video because I caught a lot of heat for that. People were upset with that video. It was too complicated. It took too long. Yes, you can download images on the internet, Google images, get whatever you want, put them over your videos. I've also made a video on that. But let's say you want something very specific and you cannot find it on Google Images. Maybe you like the way the ampersand looks in a particular font style and you think that would be super cool. How are you going to do it? So this video is going to teach you guys how to get that done. It's basically the Cliff's Notes version of the other video. The reason that I made those other videos, I didn't want to complicate things for you, but I did want you to understand the basics and the fundamentals of how to do that in LumaFusion. If you mastered that, boy, there's nothing you can't do in LumaFusion. I could have very easily just typed a plus symbol on the keyboard and got it done, but I wanted you to learn how to do it for yourself. All right, let's get this done really quick. All right, let's get this done as fast as we can. So the first thing that we want to do is add a title, and we are going to hit the plus symbol at the bottom toolbar, and we are going to choose main title, and that is immediately going to drop a title into our main timeline. We're going to double click that. We are going to choose that text, and we are going to throw it away. We're going to hit the plus symbol, and we're going to choose add a shape, and we're going to change the color of that shape to green, and we are going to make it the entire size of the screen, and we're going to back out of that. We're going to choose overlay title again, but it's not there. Sometimes you just have to clear out LumaFusion. I don't know why, but this might happen to you. Sometimes LumaFusion doesn't cooperate and you just need to close it out and reboot it. Okay, so let's see now. We'll hit the plus symbol again, and there it is, overlay title. So we're going to double click that, and we are going to keep this one. So what you want to do here is decide what image it is that you want to have. And I like the symbol that is above the number 8 on my keyboard. And I'm going to make a whole bunch of those until it covers the entire screen. So the only thing I'm going to do is keep typing that out until each row fills up this whole entire screen. So I'm just going to push down the 8 and pull it down until that symbol pops up, space. Over and over and over and over again. I can make these smaller or bigger, and I can tweak the line spacing like that. Now what I want to do is change the font of this, because let me make this pretty big so you can see it here. So an Arial font is just probably the most generic font that you can ever work with, but I really like this particular symbol in Baskerville. So let me go ahead and pull up Baskerville. I love that little symbol. I think that looks super funky. Let me make this a little smaller to fit all of those in. That looks good. So now what I want to do is save this to my iCloud Drive so that I can have it for future videos. And I'm going to do that by hitting the share button right here. And I'm going to choose movie. And I'm going to choose iCloud Drive is where I'm going to send it, and I'm going to send it in 4K, the highest resolution that I can get it in. And I'm going to hit the share button once again, and it's going to ask me what it is that I want to name this. And I'm just going to hit green screen star overlay, and I'll hit the share button one more time, and that's going to write that to my iCloud Drive. It's going to ask me what folder I want to put it in. Gear channel. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is send that right back into LumaFusion as a finished product. Grab a generic video of myself right down here. I don't even know where this is from. Now what I want to do is go into imported and find that little clip right there. And now I'm going to double tap it to edit it. we're going to go to the key symbol for chroma key, and we are going to hit green screen. And from here, we're just going to tweak the ranges until it looks absolutely perfect. Go to frame and fit and just tweak it any way we want. We can make it as small as we want. We can make it as big as we want. We can twist it any way. Put it where we want to put it. Boom, right there. And that's how you do it. Now, you don't have to use that particular image. Let me just go to the keyboard. Let me do this. So let's go back to titles. Any symbol here that you want to use, you can absolutely use. Any symbol up here you want to use. If you want to use a letter, so let me type in S, and I am going to go to my Gutenblutz font because look how cool that S looks. Seriously, I could type out probably 100 of these cool little S's, and that would make such a cool, cute little overlay. So that is the fast and dirty way of getting that done for free. So tomorrow I'm working on Affinity Photo tutorials. I have like 5 of them planned out, but you know, you never can make plans. You never know how things are going to turn out, but hopefully it happens. All right, the first person to text sunblock in the comment section below is going to get a $10 Amazon gift card. But you must be a resident of the United States or can take Amazon.com because I cannot do the Amazon.in or EU or anything. Gotta be Amazon.com. All right, guys, well, that is going to do it here for me tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, wear your sunblock.